Hi, I'm Okai. First, I will delete the old database in Redmi dashboard. I navigate to my database, scroll down and click delete. I confirm by typing the database name. Once deleted, I create a new one. I click New PostgreSQL, name it, select the closest region and keep PostgreSQL 16 as the version. After confirming the free trial, I deploy it. Redmi take about a minute to provision the database. With the new database ready, I delete the old connection in pgn-admin. I register a new server name and the database name. I add my username and password from Redmi dashboard and set the SS mode to require for security. Fresh, I refresh the schema and verify the account type. Enum exists under types, the classification, inventory, and account. Table appear under tables. Check the inventory table. I confirm the GM's Hermes description now reads a huge interior and image parts include vehicle, proving tax 1 update worked. This completeness the database rebuild all structure and data are restored using my SQL script. Thanks for watching.